All right, so what is up, everybody? My name is Ashley, and welcome to my channel. We're posting another video. The consistency I'm delivering is amazing. But unlike the other ones, I'm not gonna do too much talking. We're just gonna jump right into it. But first, make sure you subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video, because whether you like it or not, unfortunately, I'm putting out more videos. It is what it is. So yeah, subscribe and let's just jump right into the tutorial.
All right, so I got this shirt from Walmart and I only paid $3.70 or something for this shirt. Do not sleep on Walmart because Walmart has a lot of dope graphic tees. So first thing you want to do is try on the shirt to see where you want to cut it. So I decided that I'm going to cut right underneath it is at the bottom because it'll be a nice little crop. So after you figure out how you want to cut it, you want to lay your shirt out flat on a surface. Try to get it as smooth as possible. That way the cut is somewhat decent. And you want to use fabric scissors to cut also, just because fabric scissors cut through fabric a little easier than your regular normal scissors. So I forgot to mention, but if you're new to this, when you have your shirt on, just go ahead and mark where you want to cut it. And you always want to cut longer. That way, if you try the shirt on and you realize, oh, I want it to be shorter, you can always cut it shorter, but you can never grow that fabric back. All right. So once you cut your shirt, I recommend trying it on. I'm not going to do that just because I know this is how I want it. So see that message? Stay at home, people. But now we're just going to start cutting to distress our shirt. The good thing about distressing your shirt is it doesn't have to be perfect. So you can literally cut it any which way. There is no wrong or right way to do this. So just have fun, cut your shirt. But if you don't have a vision, you don't trust yourself, which you should, just go on Pinterest or any fashion website and look at their graphic tees to see how they cut it and just use that as inspiration. So I'm just showing you that I left mine real minimal. I just cut up at the shoulders and I cut down below. It's somewhat symmetrical, but not all the way perfect. I'm that person that if it's one side on one way, I have to do it one side on the other way. Well, just sometimes. But yeah, it is what it is. So what am I doing next? I'm talking about something. Boom. All right, so now you know how like when you cut something, the fabric is like really blunt. So now we're just going to go ahead and pull the fabric, and this is just going to help to roll the cut part, if that makes sense. So like at the bottom, you see how it's just straight across. So I'm going to pull it and the fabric's going to roll up, and that way it looks intentional. So as you're pulling, I recommend to rip your shirt a little more just so it won't be so blunt, and plus it just makes it look 10 times cooler.
All right, so now we're gonna bleach our shirt. Come to a well ventilated area to do this because bleach is strong. I'm using this bleach because it's already in a spray bottle, but use regular bleach. I think this is regular bleach. I don't know.
But honestly, y'all, use this bleach that's in the spray bottle because as you can see, it's changing the color of my shirt instantly.
Living in Georgia, I've been outside for 2 seconds and there's pollen on the shirt.
All right, so do to the back what you did to the front, and you're going to want to wash the bleach out of your shirt in like an actual washing machine because the bleach was on my shirt for less than 10 minutes, and this is what it did.
Finished product. Really cute. The shoulder distressing detail. You know, I want to keep it really real minimum because I know I want to bleach it. And I just want the words to be the focal, and I feel like the words stand out. But yeah, just did some distressing on the side here. And on this side too. This is what the back looks like. And yeah, really easy, really inexpensive. This can actually be free for you because if you have a graphic tee at the crib already, go ahead and use that graphic tee.
Doing all these shows, I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid.